Now, canapes, they might seem a little bit old-fashioned, and that's okay because, well, they're a little bit old-fashioned. But that does not make them any less beautiful, tasty, or budget-friendly. And that's what we're looking for this holiday season, is to put beautiful pieces of art onto our entertaining table to wow your guest and not break your budget. So let me show you smoked salmon canapé. Now, I got lucky, and Harris Teeter's had their smoked salmon 4 ounces on sale for $3.99. And if you ever find your smoked salmon for $3.99, throw some in the freezer because you can freeze these. Now, I think for the smoked salmon canapé that the pumpernickel bread is perfection. It goes so well with the dill and with the smoked salmon. And you're going to want some capers, some fresh dill, and some cream cheese. So oven on 350. I like the 1.1 millimeter cutter. I just think it makes the perfect size for a canapé that just kind of throw in your mouth. Ten canapés from that one piece of bread. You're going to throw those in your oven 3 to 5 minutes. You just want them a little bit toasty. 4 ounces of cream cheese, or a half a block. This is my homemade cream cheese that I make with yogurt. A good tablespoon of fresh dill. Then you want to finely chop that. Add that to your cream cheese. Keep an eye on your little toast rounds. And then I like a little lemon zest, a pinch of kosher salt, and some of my mixed pepper blend. Or if you don't have the mixed pepper blend, I'll probably do white pepper. So I like to put my cream cheese in a pastry bag so that I can pipe it. Now, your cream cheese you can make the day before. Just let it set out to room temperature so it's easy to pipe. Your toast rounds, you can make the day before, airtight container, Ziploc bag, something like that. But you really kind of want to make these about 30 minutes before your guests start to arrive. Or if you have room in the refrigerator and can build them like on a sheet tray like that and pop that in the refrigerator, they'll be okay in the refrigerator for an hour or two. I wouldn't go too long before they start really to get soggy on you. So we want to pipe our beautiful cream cheese. Now, this is the beautiful part about doing the smoked salmon canapes, is that each one of these little slices makes multiple canapes. And you can just kind of roll these up and then set them right down into your cream cheese. And I like when they set up like that. They kind of look like a little rose. But you don't have to get that fancy. And you can see how a little goes a long way. You can roll them and then put the roll part down like that is another option. And then for garnish, just a couple little capers. And then with that fresh dill, just pick a really pretty piece off of the end and stick that in there. Now, doesn't that look beautiful? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a gorgeous little work of art. So you really see how you can really stretch your budget with these smoked salmon canapes. But I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helps you this holiday season. Give me a thumbs up or a note and let me know what you think. I appreciate you being here. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you later.